Hello students, today we are going to learn Flash, the most popular software for animation. Please know that Flash software has been renamed as Animate. Okay, first let us understand what is Flash. Flash is a software package that allows users to create animated works. Using Flash, one can combine images, audio, video and other effects to create animation. Originally, it was designed to create animations for display on web pages. Flash is now commonly used to create games, cartoons, websites, photo galleries, and much more. The animations and graphics created in Flash can be scaled to any size without compromising with clarity or quality. Students, know the fact that Jonathan Gay was the main programmer and visionary of Flash. He is an animation editor for web pages. Okay, let us learn how to start Flash. To start Flash, follow these steps. Click on the Start button, then All Apps, then Adobe Master Collection CS6, then Adobe Flash Professional CS6. The Adobe Flash Professional CS6 welcome screen appears. The screen displays three panes: Create from Template, Create New, and Learn. All the common tasks like creating a new document, opening recently used files, and using pre-built templates can be done using this screen. Under Create New section, select ActionScript 3.0. A new blank file will open in Flash window. Okay, now we will discuss about the Flash workspace. Menu bar. The menu bar contains controls of common functions and commands such as opening, editing, and saving files, etc. Students, let's know the fact. To save the file, click on the file, then go to Save. Specify the file name and click on the Save button. The file will be saved with .fla extension. The stage. This is the rectangular workspace area where we place our contents and create our drawings or movies. By default, the stage size in Flash is 550 into 400 pixels. Students, let us know more. In order to move the stage to different position on the screen, select the Hand tool from the Tools panel and drag the stage to the desired position. The Tools panel. It contains a set of tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects in the workspace. Students, let us know more. You can view the stage on the entire screen or view a particular area of your drawing at high magnification. To do so, select the Zoom tool from the Tools panel and click on the object. To switch between the Zoom in or Zoom out option, use the Enlarge or Reduce modifiers displayed in the Options section. The Properties panel. The Properties panel displays various properties of the selected object: text, symbol, image, or shape. It is generally used for changing the settings like stage size, ruler unit, background color of the stage, and frame rate. It is also named as Property Inspector. If the Properties panel is not visible, then we can select the window, then go to Properties option. Students, let's take a quick view. The Ctrl plus F3 shortcut key combination is used to enable the Properties panel. Students, let's know the fact. You can also change the various properties of the stage like stage size, background color, etc. by selecting the Modify, then go to Document option. Timeline. The timeline is a window at the bottom of the stage. It is divided into frames. It is the area where one controls the sequencing and timings of graphics and other elements of a movie. Alright, now let me tell you how to use the Tools panel. The Tools panel consists of many tools that help in drawing, coloring and modifying an object. With the help of the tools, we can create shapes like rectangle, circle, line, or any other object. Most of the Flash tools work similar to the tools present in Microsoft Paint. Students, let us know more. You can also select the stroke color and fill color from the color section of the tools panel. Okay, we will discuss about the drawing tools. Rectangle tool. This tool is used to create square and rectangular shapes. This tool has an option which can be set to draw a rounded rectangle. Select the rectangle tool. Select the stroke color, fill color, stroke size, style and scale from the property inspector. Hold and drag the mouse pointer on the stage. As the rectangular shape is created, release the left mouse button. To draw a rounded rectangle, specify corner radius under the Rectangle Options section in the Properties panel. You can either specify the numeric value or use corner radius control slider to change the value for all the corners. Now click and draw a rectangle on the stage. You will get a rounded rectangle with the specified corner settings. Students, please note if the chain symbol placed left to the corner radius control slider is connected, you can lock the corner radius control to one control, that is, by setting the radius in one box. You can set the same radius for all the corners. If you want to specify a different radius for each corner, unlock the chain symbol and enter a different numeric value in each box. Let me give you a tip now. You can also draw other shapes like oval, polystar, etc. on the stage by clicking the small triangle at the lower right corner of the rectangle tool and choosing the desired tool from the drop-down menu. After drawing the rounded rectangle shape, you cannot modify the radius. However, Flash CS6 provides you with Rectangle Primitive tool to solve this problem. Likewise, using the Oval Primitive tool, you can modify the start angle, end angle, and inner radius. Polystar tool. This tool is used to draw polygons or stars. Select the small triangle on the rectangle tool and choose the Polystar tool from the list. In the Properties Inspector, click on the Options button. You will get the Tool Settings dialog box. Click on the drop-down list of the Style option and select the star style. Enter the value that ranges from 3 to 32 in the Number of Sides text box. For start point size, enter the number between 0 and 1 to specify the depth of the star points. A number closer to 0 creates deeper points. For drawing a polygon, you do not require to change these settings. Click OK to close the Tool Settings dialog box. Click and drag the pointer on the stage to draw a star. Similarly, you can draw a polygon by selecting Polygon option in the Style text box. Now let's find out about the Line tool. The Line tool works exactly the same way as the Line tool in any graphics software. We can use Line tool to draw straight lines. Click on the Line tool. In the Property Inspector, select the stroke color, line thickness or line style as needed. Move the pointer to the stage. Click and drag it in the direction where you want to draw a line. Release the mouse button. You will get a line on the stage.